Hello everyone, in this video I will compare Google Home, Apple Home and Alexa. Google Home, Apple Home and Amazon Alexa are three major smart home platforms, each with its own strengths. Google Home is a Google smart home platform that lets you control lights, plugs, thermostats, cameras and more using the Google Home app or Google Assistants. It's easy to set up and works well with many brands, especially Google Nest devices. Voice commands are one of its strong features, as Google Assistant understands natural language and can answer questions accurately. You can create routines, like turning on lights and playing music with a single command. It also works across Android and iOS, though Android users get a more seamless experience. The app design is clean and simple, making it beginner-friendly. Apple Home is Apple's smart home system that lets you control lights, locks, cameras, thermostats, and more from the Home app or using Siri. It's designed to work perfectly with iPhones, iPads, Apple Watch, and even Apple TV for remote access. Setting up devices is simple. Just scan the HomeKit code and it's ready to go. Apple puts a big focus on privacy and security, so your smart home data stays safe. While it supports fewer devices compared to other platforms, the ones it works with are usually high quality and reliable. You can set up automations like lights turning on when you arrive home or the thermostat adjusting at bedtime. Amazon Alexa is one of the most popular smart home platforms, letting you control lights, plugs, cameras, thermostats, and more with voice commands or the Alexa app. It works with the widest range of smart devices, from budget to premium brands, giving you a lot of flexibility. Setting it up is usually quick, and you can create routines to automate multiple actions at once. Alexa has thousands of skills that add extra functions, like ordering food, playing games, or giving new updates. It works well with both Android and iOS, and you can use Echo speakers or displays for easy voice control. The voice assistant is generally fast and responsive, though not as natural in conversations as Google Assistants. Overall, Alexa is best for the widest compatibility. Google Home for smart voice control and Apple Home for privacy and Apple integration. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.